this is Lavanya Balla, and today I'm going to make chicken pulao, which is made of foxtail millets. And I would like to say that this is chicken pulao, not biryani, because it has a consistency as of khichdi. So I would like to call it as chicken pulao only. So, and recently my husband was on diet, so he is more on protein than less on carbs. So to satisfy his cravings, I have tried this version, and please check out what ingredients required for this foxtail millets chicken pulao. This is soak the millets for 2 hours, and the required amount of water is 1:2 ratio. Wash the chicken thoroughly. Add ginger garlic paste, salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, pudina leaves and coriander leaves, and a spoon of curd, and marinate for at least 1 hour. And these are the ingredients required, and this is a medium sized onion, 1 green chili, some pudina leaves, some chopped coriander, and some amount of ginger garlic paste. And since guys, we have already added 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste in the chicken, so only some amount is required, and 1 medium sized tomato. And these are the masala ingredients required: cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, and shajira, and some amount of oil. And pre-preparations to be done is a paste of poppy seeds and coconut. It's a must, guys, and because you'll get a very nice taste out of it. Add some oil and add the whole garam masala and chili, and saute it for 2 seconds, and after that add the sliced onion. Now the onion has become golden brown in color. Now I'm going to add some tomatoes. Melt it down nicely. Let the tomatoes melt in it nicely, and after that give a stir. I'm going to add some ginger garlic paste, pudina, coriander leaves. After the tomatoes get nicely cooked, I have added some turmeric powder, some coriander powder, some chili powder, some salt, and some amount of whole garam masala. Very few amount is required. Please don't add too much. And please add few splashes of water so that the masala doesn't get burned very easily. And also see to it that the flame is very low, so that the masalas also doesn't get burned very easily. Now we have added chicken, and we have to cook it for a while, for 2 to 3 minutes on a high flame. And since we have marinated the chicken already, it cooks very fast. It becomes so tender. And give it a stir, nice stir, so that all the masalas get coated on the chicken. While the chicken is cooking, please separate the water from the foxtail millets. And this is the required amount of water for the foxtail millets to cook. But since we need the water to get on the boiling point, we need some extra amount of water. So we will add some extra water after that also. Now the chicken has been cooked. Now we are going to add some coconut and poppy seeds paste. And this has been done by grinding the flesh of the coconut and the poppy seeds with a few splashes of water and make it a fine paste. And it's a must, it's mandatory, as it adds taste to the pulao. And let it cook for a while, for at least 5 minutes. Now the chicken has been cooked thoroughly. We are going to add some water and keep the flame very high. And please check for the salt again. It must be salty. The water must be somewhat a bit salty, because after that we are going to add this foxtail. will not be enough.
Now the water has been boiling. Now add the foxtail millets and spread it nicely.
Give it a nice stir. And now cover it with a lid.
After you get the first whistle, reduce the flame and cook for another 10 minutes. Now it has been 10 minutes after I switched off the flame. Now I am going to open the lid. Release the vapor and open the lid nicely. And now you can see that it's a watery kind of consistency. So now you have to switch on the flame again and cook for another 5 minutes so that the water gets incorporated in the foxtails nicely. Now stir the pulao continuously. Unlike rice we can't stir continuously, but yes, since foxtail millets are very small, we can stir it continuously and let the water gets incorporated in the pulao. Till then we have to stir it. Now the foxtail millets chicken pulao has been ready, and serve it with raita and garnish it with coriander. And it's a must try at least for twice a month. It's a very light meal compared to the rice, and you will never go for the pulao made of rice again after you make it. It is very rich in protein and less on carbs. And guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe.